Today, we're diving into a critical health topic that's becoming more common around the world: kidney health. Kidney-related issues, including chronic kidney disease, CKD, and kidney failure, are on the rise. This uptick is concerning because it means more people are relying on treatments like dialysis to remove harmful wastes and excess fluid from their bodies. Dialysis isn't just a medical procedure. It disrupts everyday life and puts significant strain on our healthcare systems. A lot of this increase is linked to poor diets, sedentary lifestyles, and more widespread cases of diabetes and hypertension. But here's the good news. There's growing interest in natural ways to boost kidney function and prevent serious kidney issues. And certain fruits stand out for their exceptional ability to support kidney health. These fruits are packed with essential vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration, which all work together to help cleanse toxins, reduce inflammation, and improve urinary tract health. This not only helps your kidneys perform better, but could also lower your chances of needing dialysis. In this video, we're excited to share the top 3 fruits, known for their incredible kidney detoxifying properties. These fruits are not only delicious, but also come with impressive benefits that promote healthy kidneys. Let's explore how you can add them to your diet for a tasty way to support kidney health. Let's dive into the top 3 fruits for kidney detoxification. 1. Cranberries, the kidney protector. These small, tart berries are packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, and a wide array of antioxidants. Cranberries are particularly beneficial for kidney health due to compounds like proanthocyanidins and quinic acid, which help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, and kidney stones. By fighting off bacteria and reducing inflammation, cranberries play a vital role in detoxifying your kidneys. Scientific evidence. Studies consistently show that cranberry products can lower the risk of UTIs, which, if left untreated, can lead to more severe kidney problems. Regular cranberry consumption has been linked to better urinary tract health and lower rates of recurrent infections. How to enjoy cranberries. Smoothie. Blend cranberries with a banana, Greek yogurt, and orange juice for a refreshing drink. Salads. Add fresh or dried cranberries for a tangy flavor. Baked goods. Mix cranberries into muffins or scones for a healthful treat. 2. Watermelon, the hydration hero. Watermelon is packed with hydration, covering about 90% of its weight with water. This makes it an excellent choice for kidney detox because staying hydrated is crucial for proper kidney function. Watermelon acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production and helping flush out toxins. Additionally, its antioxidants, such as lycopene, protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Scientific evidence. Studies show that watermelon's high water content helps improve hydration and supports renal function. It's recommended for kidney health and the prevention of kidney stones. How to enjoy watermelon, fresh slices, a quick and easy snack to keep you hydrated. Smoothies. Blend watermelon with strawberries and mint for a refreshing drink. Salads. Combine watermelon with cucumber and feta for a light, hydrating salad. 3. Lemons, the stone preventer. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which help prevent kidney stones by raising citrate levels in the urine. This is crucial because citrate helps bind calcium, the main component of kidney stones, thus reducing their formation. Lemons also enhance kidney function by promoting hydration and detoxification. Scientific evidence. Research published in journals like the Journal of Urology shows that regular lemon juice consumption elevates urinary citrate levels and lowers the risk of recurrent kidney stones. How to enjoy lemons. Lemon water. Start your day with warm lemon water to kickstart your metabolism and detoxify your kidneys. Salad dressings. Create tangy lemon dressings with olive oil and your favorite herbs. Lemon detox drink. Combine lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, honey, and warm water for a refreshing detox drink. Conclusion. The power of cranberries, watermelon, and lemons for kidney health. Cranberries, watermelon, and lemons each offer unique benefits for kidney health, from preventing kidney stones to boosting hydration and detoxifying the kidneys. Incorporating these fruits into your daily diet is a simple yet powerful way to take charge of your kidney health. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, drop a comment, and let us know what topic you'd like us to cover next. And of course, subscribe to Wellness Ease for more expert-backed health tips.